do. Oh, hello. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the Shadow Wolf. I'm releasing the trailer soon. So yeah, it's gonna be very fun. It's about humans, wolves, werewolves, stuff like that, magic, all sorts of stuff. So yeah, this is gonna be a very hard video because I have to draw all of this, but it's actually gonna be pretty easy because I don't have to draw much. I just have to copy and paste most. Okay, so yeah, the trailer's gonna be out soon. The first episode will be 2. So yeah, if you're interested in that, then go check it out.